Welcome to our channel. Today, we have some thrilling updates for all drone enthusiasts and tech lovers. Recent leaks have uncovered fascinating details about the upcoming DJI Matrice 4T, a drone packed with groundbreaking features that could set a new standard in the industry. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into what makes the Matrice 4T a potential game-changer and why professionals across various sectors are eagerly anticipating its release. At its core, the Matrice 4T leverages cutting-edge AI technology, enabling real-time detection of people, vehicles, and even ships. This makes it a versatile tool for numerous applications, including public safety, agriculture, and industrial inspections. Its support for third-party models ensures that users can tailor the drone to suit specific operational needs, opening the door to endless possibilities for customization. One of its most impressive capabilities is the inclusion of versatile operational modes. These include a full 360-degree view and preset speed configurations, ensuring precision in every task. Whether you're mapping a large area, creating cinematic visuals for a film, or conducting life-saving rescue missions, these modes enhance efficiency and usability. The Matrice 4T also excels in its imaging capabilities. A standout feature is its ability to capture an orthophoto of a staggering 2.8 square kilometers in a single flight. This is complemented by advanced low-light performance, thanks to its integrated night vision and infrared illumination technology. These features make it an invaluable tool for missions in challenging lighting conditions, ensuring no detail is missed. Another innovative addition is its real-time megaphone, designed for remote communication. This feature proves invaluable during emergencies, allowing operators to broadcast messages from a distance, ensuring safety and coordination in critical situations. When it comes to flight performance, the Matrice 4T is nothing short of remarkable. With a climb rate of 10 meters per second and a transmission range of up to 25 kilometers, it stands out as a leader in its class. Its anti-interference capabilities further enhance its reliability, ensuring smooth operations even in signal-dense environments. Precision navigation is another area where this drone shines. Equipped with a DRTK3 system, it delivers accurate positioning, even in urban areas or other challenging environments. Additionally, the hot-swappable battery system allows for rapid redeployment within just 15 seconds, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. The drone's smart return-to-home function is another highlight. Even in areas with poor or no GNSS signal, it ensures a safe and efficient return, giving operators peace of mind during complex missions. The camera system is equally advanced, featuring a thermal imaging option, wide-angle views, and a telecamera with an incredible 112x hybrid zoom, making it ideal for detailed inspections. In conclusion, the DJI Matrice 4T is an extraordinary blend of AI-powered features, versatile modes, robust flight performance, and advanced imaging capabilities. It's designed to meet the demands of professionals across a wide range of industries, making it an indispensable tool for those seeking cutting-edge technology. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates, in-depth reviews, and all the latest in drone technology. Stay tuned and keep exploring the skies with us.